Alrighty, well, welcome to today's PC video. The PC video, or the PCs that I have chosen are ones that there are 5 different varieties of the one that I am going to build. I haven't decided on which one. It all depends on how much money I have when the time rolls around. Or for me to buy it. So, let's take a gander into, my PC. So starting off, before we actually look at it, there are going to be a lot of similar parts. And so basically, after you see the first PC, there's only going to be slight differences in the other one. So if you don't want to see that, I understand. You don't have to. At least watch for the first PC. Anyway, let's roll the intro. Thank you for joining us today on the Anarchy Gaming channel. Please remember to drop a like, hit subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and if you are interested in any merchandise, or as you young kids call it, merch, please click the link below. It would make me so happy. Now, on with the video. Thank you again. So I also want to say that I am currently in the Discord with a few peoples, so if you hear them talking about random garbage, that's
you guys are talking about guys that have huge cocks and how they just swing from their shorts.
it's a good thing I don't even get monetized.
You can see it when
I don't have enough subs.
you can see it when they go swimming. How the trunks suck up against their legs. It's like whoa.
Yeah, I mean,
there's this one video I saw of this black dude. He was just chilling with gym shorts on, and his penis was hanging out the bottom of his gym shorts.
God damn.
I'm fine with this for one reason, and that is because I don't get monetized as it is because I'm too small. Anyway, so let's start off here. We have a AMD Ryzen 9 3900X. 3.8 gigahertz 12-core processor for $430. The reason why I didn't get the 3950 is because it is $300 more.
Talk to me dirty, daddy.
I don't want to pay $300 more for a CPU that's not that much better. So, if the 5000 series is out by the time that I buy PC parts, then I'm obviously going to go for that because that's 100 times better, kind of, and it's around the same price, kind of. So, the motherboard here, we have the Asus TUF Gaming X 570 Plus with Wi-Fi ATX AM4 motherboard for $180. The memory, we have 4 sticks of 32 gigabyte DDR4 3600 CL18 memory. Those are G-Skill. I found
this very interesting.
G-Skill Trident Z with RGB for $550. Now, as for storage, we have 3 things that we're buying. So, we have the Samsung 970 EVO 500 gigabyte M.2-2280 NVMe solid state drive for $69.
So hot.
And then we have 2 Seagate Barracuda computes for that are 8 terabytes and they're 3.5 inches, and they have
3.5 inches.
5400 RPM internal hard drives. We have 2 of those for 155 each. So about 310. Then we have the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 10 gigabyte Founders Edition card, and it doesn't say the price on here, but the last I checked,
damn,
it was like 700, I think. I don't remember. It's been a while. Anyway, then we have the Cooler Master Master Box TD 500 mesh.
Hayden, I want you to know, no, Hayden's not here anymore at all. Hayden
White with controller ATX mid tower case for $100.
So many.
And I actually found a cool deal on Amazon where if you get that case for $150, it comes with a 2 terabyte.
Look at my stream. Brody.
No,
It
no,
comes
no, no,
with
no, no. I
a
have to watch this.
2 terabyte hard drive, and the cool thing about that hard drive is that the hard drive itself is
I got a
like
whole RV on
$45 to
my side.
$50, and so if you get the case and that, it's actually cheaper. And if you're trying to get the case separate, it's like almost $200 right now. So yeah. Anyway, the power supply is the Corsair RM 2019 850 watt 80 plus gold certified fully modular ATX power supply for that $155. The entire build comes to be about $2,400. All right, on to the next build. Transition noise. Alrighty, as for the number 2, we have the AMD Ryzen 9 3900X again. We have the... Okay, so the reason why this one is the B550 motherboard is because for some reason the 570 didn't come up when I searched it the first time, so that's supposed to be the 570. Anyway, the memory, we have 4 32 gigs sticks of DDR4 3600 CL18 memory. They're the G.Skill Trident Z Neo, which basically means they got that little silvery bit on the end there, and they're actually cheaper, so I think they look cooler, and they're cheaper by $10, so it's pretty dope for 540. Then for the storage, same thing with the 2 Seagate Barracuda, but the only difference is instead of the 500 terabyte Samsung 970, we have the 500 gigabyte, Samsung 970. We have the 1 terabyte Samsung 970 for $150. Same video card, same case. The cooler is 1,000 watts instead of that 850 watts for $205. And then we put the Microsoft Windows 10 on here, so that's pretty dope. But I don't think we're going to be paying for Windows because Vinny's just going to hook us up with a download, and then I'm just going to buy a key, whatever, for $30.
Product key.
Yeah, product key. So, you know. Anyway, on to the next build. Another transition noise. Alrighty. So,
Big brain.
once again, same CPU, same motherboard. This time, we only have 2 32 gig sticks of DDR4 3600 CL18 memory. The G.Skill Trident Z RGB for 64 gigs worth for $269.99. As for storage, we have one 4 terabyte Seagate Barracuda hard drive for $90. And then we also have that Samsung 970 EVO 1 terabyte. Same video card, same case, same cooler as the last one for $2,100, I believe, is what that price would come to with the video card. Anyway, next build. Transition. Alright, as for Christmas build number 4, we have the same CPU, the same motherboard. This time it is the same memory as well, same storage, same video card, and same case. The only difference is the power supply here, which is the Corsair RMX 2018 850 watt 80 plus gold certified fully modular ATX power supply for $155, and that whole build comes to be about exactly $2,000, about there. So, you know, I don't know why about and exactly went in the same sentence together, but you get the gist. And it's time to reveal the final build. Remember to drop a like, hit subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. And if you are interested in my merch, please click the link below. Now, for the final build, reveal yourself. And now, for the final build, the same CPU. Google,
What?
shut up.
Dick,
Now, the same CPU, the
Donkey.
same motherboard, different memory. The memory here is the G.Skill Trident Z Neo, 128 gigabytes, 4 sticks of 32 gigabyte DDR4 3600 CL18 memory for $540. We also have the Seagate Barracuda 4 terabyte 3.5 inch 5400 RPM internal hard drive for $90. As for the other bit of storage, we have the Samsung 970 EVO 500 gigabyte M.2-2280 NVMe solid state drive for $69. Nice. As for that graphics card, it is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 10GB Founders Edition card for roughly $700. The case is the same, still the Cooler Master Masterbox TD500 Mesh White with controller ATX Mid-Tower case for $100. And for that power supply, same power supply that we had in the last build, but I'm going to read it off again because I think my voice maybe sounds cool. The Corsair RMX 2018 850 80 plus gold certified fully modular ATX power supply for $155. Now, the total for this build comes out to be, drumroll please, $2,200, or just about there. Alright, now, let's talk for a minute. Alright, well, you saw some interesting things today, didn't you? You did. I bet you did. I need a drink. Anyway, thank you all so much for everything that you do for the channel. All the amazing things that you guys do. If you would like to, consider clicking the link below to go and check out the merch. It really helps out the channel, and with me trying to build a brand new PC to help you guys out and bring you guys the best content possible, you know, it wouldn't hurt to go buy a t-shirt. They're only like $25. Oh, speaking of t-shirts, I gotta get rid of the breast cancer awareness ones, because breast cancer awareness month is over. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I am Anarch from Anarch Gaming. Do all the YouTube stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Whew. That was a good one. Bye-bye. In a world where PCs have taken over, one man stands among the rest. His name is Danny DeVito. Please join us on this epic adventure as Danny DeVito fights off the PC Master Race with his massive Xbox controller fists and PlayStation penis. This summer, Danny DeVito stars in Battle for the Master Race. Ba-ba-ba. Did that sound cool? I hope it did.